Hey guys, this is Byron from Vance Hines. Thanks for joining me on another Workshop Wednesday, where today we're going to go over another critical piece of maintenance on this VO2 cage fighter. Let's start by getting these bolts off. Alright guys, so we've got the cover off. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and tighten these three pieces of hardware with a wrench. The big thing there is you want to make sure they're nice and tight. This should be done at every major service interval. So once you've got the air cleaner off to get it cleaned up, just go ahead, put a wrench on them, make sure they're nice and snug. What ends up happening is if you neglect this type of maintenance, the bolt can actually back out, go into your induction module, damage the cylinder, the piston, the head, and then you look into the top end rebuild. So definitely something you don't want to skimp on. It's a very small, quick thing to do, and it takes just a couple of seconds. Alright, so typically if anything was really loose, I would back it entirely out. I'd coat it in some blue Loctite and put it back in. Again, the big thing is this is a critical fastener. You do want to make sure that this is nice and tight, that it's not going to come off and go into your motor and cause any damage. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and get the cover back on and we're all set for the day. Alright guys, so that's it. Bolts are tightened, air filter's back on. Again, it takes just a couple of seconds, especially if you're doing a service interval and you're cleaning the air filter anyway, and it's really easy, cheap insurance that can save you an awful lot of heartache in the long run if it's something that you neglect and forget over time. So thank you guys for joining me on another Workshop Wednesday, and we'll see you on the next video.